No, let's not climb right now, okay? I'm not sure where holes might be. Just don't want anybody falling right now, so we gotta stay close together.
Are we allowed to be out here?
Probably not. Yes, we're fine. We're fine, Kindra. Watch out for this cage.
Whoa. What's this cage for?
This garbage. Okay.
Can I look in that?
Just a second. In the bucket? Yeah, you can look in it. Just has rocks in it.
What type of rocks?
Well, see if there's a thing to climb. Step right here. There you go. Cool.
Whoa. Look at that.
Oh, look at this. Go sit. Go sit in it.
Okay.
Should I start it up and move you around?
Yeah, sure.
Here, face me so I can seize you.
Oi, 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 oi.
Now look at this one. This one. Oh, it's upside down. It's bigger. This scoop.
Look at that.
Cool, huh? Huge. Alright, let's come over here.
I hope the mice doesn't come out and bite me.
It won't.
Let's see.
None of that's here. You're fine. Oh, look at that scoopers. Oh, this is soft, fresh, pulled up dirt. You want to get in there? Whoa. It might sink and go underground. I'm just kidding, Kindra.
Whoa. This one's cool. Smooth. Not at the top, but at the bottom it's smooth.
It's big scoops.
Ooh, that was a cool one.
It's their biggest one. So, let's come over here and see what they've been trenching. Okay, we gotta be careful because this is where all the holes are. Just stay behind me, okay? Yep, see there's holes right there.
Right where?
Right over here. Deep ones too. Here, you can see it better if you come over here.
I should have worn tight shoes.
There you go. Pretty deep down there, isn't it?
Yeah, I could definitely climb down.
And then look, no, because I don't want the walls to fall in on you. Dangerous down there. See?
Whoa. Hey, it's a thing.
That says sewer line below. Is that what that green tape says? Yep. Yep, that's the thing that they put in earlier in that video. They moved it around. They just keep digging, move.
Why do they have to put that in the ground?
That just helps them keep the wall straight, I guess. Oh, I'm not sure. Alright, let's come over here. Oh. Stay behind me. Careful.
Yep, I'm right behind you.
Alright. Yep, lots more holes over there, so let's go this way. Alright. You doing okay?
Yep.
Alright.
There's lots of tiny dirt and rocks
In the shoes.
Just only my right. Can I go right there?
Look, that's where he was rolling his dirt thingy. And here's the road. Yep, so the road comes up here. This is the road that'll go behind our home. They're just doing the sewer lines and stuff like that for water.
They have like a tractor. Pennywise is in there.
Yeah.
Do they have a tractor that has like a metal thing on it so it can pick up metal?
That's what those scoops are, yeah. All right, come on the other side of me because that's a big cliff right there. There you go.
I don't want to fall down there.
Yeah, you don't want to fall down there. Dun, 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 dun. So, the road. So I'm wondering if like that's going to be kind of just the sidewalk-ish. I don't know. And then this where we're Rocking's road.
Oh, Daddy, right here.
Oh, that'll be road. So, stand on it, see if you can make it move. Here, don't put your feet under it, but I'll stand on it too.
Whoa.
Nope, I'm not heavy enough.
Our whole family stand on that. It will just tip on over.
Tip me on over. Here's come this way.
Hey, it's one of the Mario tubes.
Looks like it, huh?
Yeah, that's why I said
Mario tubes.
it's a me, the Mario. Oh, look at that big truck.
Let's see, I kind of want to look at the trench again. It's got an orange line. Let's see. Caution. Sewer line below.
This reminds me
So a
when
bunch of sewer. So
Stranger Things when Mike jumped off.
on each sewer line, maybe the ones that are going this way, Kindra. I could be wrong, but maybe each one going this way is the one that'll go to the houses.
So these are like
And then where this like where your
roads.
water and stuff comes out of your house and comes in, at least out. I would think sewer.
Don't stand like on the edge, because then it might break and then you could fall down.
Yep.
Happens in a lot of movies.
It's just crazy how they can get the walls to stay up. Yeah, it's okay. No,
Should I
leave it
pick it up and throw it away?
Nope. You're good. Yeah, he trenched.
Look, a bucket. They make a new bucket.
Crazy, yeah. Here's our, I guess, our original path. That when we could walk in the field, it was like right here.
Wait, what does that say? D-I-O-S.
Dios mío.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Probably just words what stand for a real life word.
And look, this could be, I could be wrong. Careful, Kindra. This could be a fire hydrant thing that is going here. Let's see.
Whoa.
Oh, or is it just, oh, it's not even in the ground. It's just floating.
Floating.
Ooh.
It scares me when I get close to it.
I know. I'll be on this side so you don't fall.
I don't want you to fall.
I'd rather me fall than you.
I already broke the collar. I didn't break it up.
Yep, he's getting close to being behind our house doing this stuff. So if they work tomorrow, they'll have definitely behind our house, all buried or dug up. Oh yeah, look at that scoop. Go sit in that one. Did we already come to this tractor?
Nope.
I don't think we did, huh? Oh yeah, look at this one. He's got the, now that's big.
Just have to crouch this.
Say cheese. Put the light down for a minute. And focus. There you go. Good job.
I want to look inside it.
Well, you can't open the door. I don't want to get in trouble.
I know, I just want to look inside.
Well, let's climb on the big old metal tires. All right, let's go see. Let's go see over here now. Well, that was a little shorter, huh?
Ooh, but it has no view.
Yep. Full of these special rocks that they put down in there. Gravel, I guess. My fingers are getting cold. All right. There you are.
Are you excited for the Super Mario 2?
Yeah. Ooh, cold. All right. Here, let's walk up this hill that they made today. It's all of that gravel stuff. There she goes. Yeah. And the roller coaster we go down. Still so soft, we're like putting foot impressions in. Yeah, you can see our little footprints.
They'll be like, it's a discovery. He was here.
We won't climb up that one because it's just too loose.
I know, I just want to go close.
We can go up close to it, yeah.
I remember when we went through that big tunnel.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh?
That was when the foreman was in there.
This is about where the swimming pool will be. No, it's gonna be over there more. It's close though.
I want to climb it.
Okay, so you can go to the top and then come down.
We need to hold this.
Just you can set it on the ground, okay? There you go, that works. Ta-da! Look at you. Alright, come on down. Fun. That was awesome. Oh, excuse me. Let's go this way now.
Wow, look at all those tractor marks.
Yep, they're everywhere.
The reason why tractor wheels have have the bumps on it is so that they don't get caught into the dirt.
Yep, it's just their traction. There's our home over there.
I see our house.
Yep.
Why does our house look like the biggest one in the neighborhood? But it
Well, it actually is. Got the biggest house. We got the extended garage, finished basement. Underneath the porch is done. We're finished. Oh man. Okay, let's head back. Kind of saw what they were doing for the most part.
This is cool. Ooh, what is that?
They're doing lots of work, aren't they?
It's like one of those pipe things, I think.
Yeah, this is
Whoa.
This is where they'll be able to climb down, and this looks like it's the bottom. Actually, that's interesting. Oops, sorry. Hand or Western something. There's dates on it. Okay. All right. Is that fun?
Yeah.
That's fun, huh? Hopefully those voles don't come back in our yard anymore.
What?
Hopefully the voles don't come back. They'll get all dug up. Here's all my lawn clippings. where I dump the grass. Then we got this baby trench to go in and over. Bloop. And then bloop. Are you tall enough to open the gate?
What?
Can you open the gate, or do I need to?
I think I can.
Okay. Fingers. There you go. Alright, that was fun. Thanks for coming.